In this video I'm going to show you how to fix one of these grinders, whatever it's called, rotary tools, which literally doesn't want to power on anymore, randomly. It just flickers its LEDs. No matter what I do, nope, not powering on, flickering LEDs. So what I've seen over the years, most battery operated tools which have built-in batteries so you cannot really unplug them, tend to have a system that resets when you plug them into the wall to charge them. Let me see if this is one of those or not. So it's literally charging. Why was this empty? This should not have been empty. Last time I used this thing, it had 2 bars. What happened to this? Yeah, it's not flickering in real life, so it's steady on. But yeah, it's basically fully discharged. It was not stuck. It was completely discharged, but I thought it's stuck because I didn't use it to discharge it. So I used it and left it at 2 bars. And that was 2 or 3 days ago, I think. Whoa. Okay-ish. This is really weird. Anyway, I'm going to let it charge now. Nothing more that I can do. So that's about it for the video. If it doesn't power on and just flickers the lights, it seems it's actually discharged and not stuck. But again, mine shouldn't have been discharged by the way I left it last time. Really weird. Really weird. I'm going to keep my eye on it. Anyway, that's about it for the video. See you in the next one.